basically, it's a bit like Nazi Germany. If you don't do it, yeah, I won't name it, but I'll put a little picture up on the screen of his before and after.
Hiya people, for those of you that watched the last show, you may remember this. It was very rusty. It did take me a long while, but this is what it looks like now.
So, should do with that, put that on eBay? I think so, a bit of oil. Nice, isn't it? Cleaned up very nice.
Coming up next is this baby swivel vise, but first, let me tell you.
I had a message today from a subscriber he sent me a very nice message, and it says that he's fed up with the shorts, don't blame you, and he's unsubscribing, and I'm very, very sad to see you go. YouTube tells us creators what they want, and it's basically, it's a bit like Nazi Germany. If you don't do it, you're fucked. So looking at all the YouTube graphs and analytics, my shittest retention videos, 2,000 views on a tool haul 2. 80% of people turned off after 20 seconds. So although it says 2,000 people watched it, 2,000 people clicked it, and only about 300 watched it. So what's going on there? Shittest video ever, apparently, and YouTube are promoting that, yet they're not promoting me decentish ones. Wankers. Right. And when YouTube say I've got to do these shorts and I'm knocking these shorts out and I'm not liking it, subscribers ain't liking it, but I've got 110,000 views this month, which is not, it's 104,000 more than normal, all thanks to those shorts. I have gained 200 subscribers in 3 weeks, which is 170 more than normal, or about 10 times my normal amount.
So maybe the shorts are working. Anyway, let's crack on with this vise. I don't think I've ever seen such a small vise with so many pieces. Just before we move on to this little marples vise restoration, I'm going to have another moan.
There's another channel, I won't name it, but I'll put a little picture up on the screen of his before and after, alright? This bloke has filled the pits in with red paint, he's painted everything red, he's put a nut and bolt through where there was a perfectly good rivet. And he's got 3.5 million views. Some of my stuff ain't good, but everything I've ever done is better than this piece of shit.
Right, moan over, we'll crack on with this little marples. Just take it apart. I ain't going to piss about showing you the wire. We'll put it back together again.
very simply, a bit of oil, just a bit of oil on there. Leaving the kink in because it's character. We all know I can straighten it out on the hydraulic press, but it's character on this lovely little vise. So it's fucking staying. Well, we're going to go with my favourite colour of the month. See that? There we go. We'll have a close up of that in a second. Stick it up there. I haven't got round to doing this one yet because it's got the still got the logo on the side. I'm not quite sure what to do with that. Don't want to lose the logo, but I would like to add some colour. So maybe I'll just do that in black. What do you think, people? Do that in black or leave it as it is and just colour the writing in? Well, people, first of all, right, Fat Fighting Club. There'll be a link at the end, little circle that you click to take you over to the Fat Fighting Club channel there, and we'll get that started. All you people that want to lose weight, let's get over there. I've got put 43 bids in on the next auction. It's an 8-hour round trip. It's £100 to go and pick the stuff up I win, on top of £500-600 that I'm bidding on it, just to make videos. Don't forget, Fat Fighting Club link there. Don't forget, there's always my Handy Dad channel. Also, there.
And I'm going to say,
It's been fucking emotional.